Doing good? In this video, I will be showing you how to cancel subscription on Dropship.io or how to cancel free trial on Dropship.io. The first thing you want to do once you're on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the bottom left-hand corner and you're going to tap on Settings. After selecting Settings, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, I want you to tap on Plan in the top right-hand corner. After tapping on Plan, you're going to scroll down. Then from there, you're going to tap on Cancel Plan. After you have tapped on Cancel Plan, you're going to see this pop up. And then from there, you could choose to extend your trial by 7 days. If you would like 7 more days, you could do that. But if you would like to cancel it right now, you can tap on Decline Offer. Then from there, you can tap on any one of these reasons. So for example, I'll tap right there. Then you'll tap on Next. And you can see right there, they'll be giving you 30% off. And you can tap on Decline Offer once more. Then from here, you can type in whatever you want. Then after doing that, you can tap on Next. Your honest input is the best way we can improve our product. And you can type in whatever you want right here. So I'll just type in something real quick. Then you'll tap on Next. Then you'll tap on Confirm and Cancel. And that's it. After you have done that, you can see that the subscription has now been cancelled. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.